Okay, we're now doing lesson 24, day 3. We are on page 280 in your MIB. Our problem says Prim bought 3 muffins at the school bake sale. Each muffin cost 75 cents. She also bought a cookie for 50. Prim gave Mr. Hall a $5 bill. How much change did she get? So when we do picture it, as you can see, they have the money laid out. You can use bills and coins to help solve money problems. So a muffin, 75 cents, 75 cents, 75 cents, cookie 50. Show the amount Prim gave Mr. Hall in bills and quarters. There are 4 quarters in $1. She spent 11 quarters. See the total of $3. They're laid out in quarters. The amount that is not crossed off is the change that she got. So the next page there. The money Prim used to pay in dollars. The prices are in cents. Which is the larger unit? Well, obviously $1 is more than 1 quarter. So dollars a larger unit. So now we need to convert $5 into cents. Well, we know that I'm gonna play around with this. There we go. When we are converting, we know that there's 100 cents in each dollar, so we have to do 5 times 100 gives 5, and 5 times 100 equals 500 cents. So 500 cents, that's what you should write down on down here with this blank here. Write 500 down and explain how you did. You multiply, since there's 100 cents in $1, you multiply 5 times 100. Now number 10. Each muffin costs 75 cents or 75 cents. The cookie 50 cents or 50 cents. Fill out the blanks. So we would have 3 times, we have 3 muffins for 75 cents. I'm going to increase it here. Alright, so that should be 3 times 75, that's your first blank, cents, plus 50 cents, because we have that cookie. That equals, so 3 times 75 is 225 plus 50, and that equals 275. Get straight here, 275. We will get better as the days go on, guys. So that's what you should fill out. Number 10. Show how to find how many cents Prim got for change. So what you would do is you would take, remember we have 500 total, so you would take 500 minus 275, you subtract it. $225 change. So that would be 11 and 12. Go ahead and do the try it on your own. So pause me, do the try it on your own. While you pause me, I'm going to erase. Okay, number 13. 1 pound of nuts cost $2.80. Aaron bought 2 pounds of nuts. He gave the clerk $10 bill. How much change did he get? So you have to figure out, first of all, how much money it cost. Alright, so we would have, I'm looking at my book here, so $202.80 is 280 cents times 2. So we have 560 cents. That is how much he paid for his 2 bags of nuts. So we have to find this change from $10. So $10, if you multiply 10 times 100, we get 1,000. So you have to subtract 560 from 1,000 to find out his change. You should have gotten 0. either $440 in change or $4.40. How I would do this, I would just line up the decimal points. So if you have $10 and you paid $5.60, line up the decimal points, subtract that down, just like it was whole numbers. Well, because it is, never mind. 10 minus 6, 4. Bring down that decimal point. 9 minus 5 is 4, or $4.40. Get the same answer either way. Now number 14. Keisha bought 4 books and 2 bookmarks at the library book sale. Each book cost $2.50. Each bookmark cost $1.95. She paid with a 20. How much change? So we first have to add up. 4 books. Each book cost $2.50. So we need to multiply 250 times 4. I just converted that into change rather than dollars. And we get 800 or $8 worth of books. And then, let's see, we have 2 bookmarks. Each bookmark costs $1.95. For this one, you can either add them together or multiply. I'm just going to take 195 times 2. I'm going to try to get a thicker dry erase marker for next time. So $3.90. We add $3.90 to the $8. And we get $11.90. Now we paid with a 20, or Keisha paid with a $20 bill. We subtract $11.90 from 20. You could count up with this one. You add 10 cents to $11.90 and you'll get 12, and count up from there. It'd be $8.10, but we'll subtract. That's why I would go off on a tangent if I was in the room, but I don't have the time to do that on here. Is it there? And put down your decimal point. You should have gotten $8. $8.10. Okay, that was in your MIB on page 280 to 281, and that goes along with math, practice, and problem solving pages 289 to 290.